Evopax Church Systems has been getting attention as a church management software solution, but is it really the right fit for your church? In this video, we'll break down 12 things you need to know before deciding whether to go with Evopax and how it stacks up against other competitors in the market. First off, Evopax offers an intuitive interface, but while it's easy to get started, the learning curve can be a bit steep for those used to simpler platforms like Planning Center or Breeze. If your team is not tech savvy, you may want to consider how much training time will be required. Next thing to keep in mind is the range of features. Evopax covers all the basics: member management, event scheduling, donation tracking, and communication tools. However, compared to something like Church Community Builder, Evopax may feel a bit limited in the depth of its customization options. If you're looking for something highly adaptable, you might find this lacking. The third thing is the pricing. While Evopax may seem like a good deal at first glance, when you start adding up the costs for extra features, it can get pretty expensive, especially for larger churches. In this sense, it may not be as cost-effective as some other platforms like Rock RMS, which offers more features at a comparable price point. The fourth thing you need to know is about customer support. Evopax's support is fairly responsive, but some users report slow response times during peak hours. If you're comparing this to the quick and reliable support provided by competitors like PushPay, this could be a factor worth considering. Now let's talk about mobile apps. Evopax has a mobile app, but it's not as smooth or feature-rich as others like Tithe.ly or ChurchTrack, which provide better functionality for both admins and church members. The sixth thing is the integration options. Evopax offers some basic integrations with third-party apps like Zoom and Google Calendar, but it's not as robust as platforms like Fellowship One, which seamlessly integrates with a wider range of church-related software. Another important point is scalability. Evopax works well for small to medium-sized churches, but larger organizations might run into some limitations as their needs grow. Platforms like Church 360 or Rock RMS might be a better option for larger congregations looking for more comprehensive, scalable solutions. The eighth thing is the user interface. While generally user-friendly, Evopax can be a bit clunky when it comes to reporting. Unlike competitors like Breeze, which offer easy-to-read reports with minimal effort, Evopax's reports can require more customization and are harder to navigate. Next, let's discuss security. Evopax does a decent job with encryption and data protection, but its security protocols are not as rigorous as top-tier competitors like Planning Center, which are certified with higher levels of protection. If data security is a top priority for your church, this might be a concern. The 10th thing to consider is the flexibility of communication tools. Evopax has communication features like mass emailing and texting, but compared to other platforms like ChurchTrack, it lacks the same level of customization and automation in communication workflows. Another factor is the membership management features. Evopax's membership system is solid, but not as comprehensive as those offered by Church Community Builder or Rock RMS. If you need more detailed member profiles and group management, other platforms might serve you better. The 12th and final thing is user feedback. While Evopax has generally positive reviews, users have pointed out areas for improvement, especially in terms of feature depth and mobile optimization. It's clear that while it's a solid choice, other platforms like Breeze or PushPay offer more polished experiences in these areas. In conclusion, Evopax is a good option for smaller churches or those with more straightforward needs. However, if you're looking for something more flexible, feature-rich, and scalable, we recommend checking out our preferred church management solution that you can try for free. The link is in the description below.